welcome back to my channel. I had to get this one on film because I really want to see how everything turns out, and if it turns out well, I want to put you guys on. So just to get started, this video will be me using my brand new Babyliss Pro Titanium Nano flat irons. These are the Ultra Slim, I believe it's called. And the cool thing about it is when I purchased this, I purchased it off of Walmart.com. And if you guys will notice, it not only came with the 1-inch ultra thin flat iron, but it also came with the curling one. It's a limited edition. So, and I just bought it not that long ago, so I would recommend you guys run as fast as you can. If you like the results, run as fast as you can to Walmart.com if it's still on sale, and get you a pair of these. Now, I know they typically retail around $150 across the board, no matter where you go, but good old Walmart had it on sale for a little bit over $100. Again, it comes with the curling wand and the flat iron, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. So I just wanted to show you guys the curling wand. It's the 1-inch curling wand. It goes all the way up to 430 Fahrenheit. So I would recommend definitely, if you have gloves, using those as well. I did try it out on an old mannequin I had, and that one curl I tried out turned out nice. So not only did I get the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium, which I am, the ultra thin design, I'm so excited to try it out because they make really good products. But I also wanted to try out the Redken Acidic Bonding kit, the whole kit. My hair, as you can tell, my blonde has grown out quite a bit, so I'm gonna have to bleach my hair as well, which this is perfect for color treated hair. It's supposed to help it from the inside out, which is wonderful. So I'm gonna go in, I am going to bleach my hair, I'm going to shampoo it. I also need to get the gunk out because I had braids, and I want to show you the shampoo I'm using to clarify it. So this will be the first time I'm using this clarifying shampoo. It's by Monday. It is a grapefruit extract for a deep clean. So I need to, it's a shampoo. It's sulfate-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and 100% recyclable. I need to get all this gunk out. My hair has been natural, it's been in braids. There is so much gunk in it, which can detract from how well it looks when you flat iron your hair. So I need something to take out all of the gunk. And I will say I typically love to use Paul Mitchell Shampoo 3, but it seems like the prices went up on that. I could be wrong, you know. This was about $7. Shampoo 3 is about 17. So I'm like, if I can achieve the same thing with something more reasonable, why not, right? So I'm gonna bleach and shampoo my hair, so I will come back. So now I'm using the Redken Acidic Bond Concentrate Shampoo. I'm getting another shower today. Like, it's lathering. So we shall see what happens. Once I put the conditioner back in, I will say it is a little bit more stiff, but it still feels really nice, honestly. I'm really hoping. So I watched it a couple times. I think about 2 or 3 times with the Monday clarifying shampoo, and so far this is once with this with the Redken Acidic Bonding Shampoo. It is firm, like not soft, but it's not super firm. Like, it's not firm as like maybe the Paul Mitchell Shampoo 3, because when I use that one, my hair is pretty stiff. Like, it's stiff in the aspect of everything is stripped out. And I think what I'm gonna do, because this is getting messy, as you can see, like I am like completely drenched, I'm probably gonna go in with the Redken conditioner, let that sit in, rinse it out, and then come back momentarily. So guys, I went back into it. This is what I didn't show on camera. I did go back into my hair and condition it, and I toned the front. I did tone the front. But this video, I have another video on that if you are interested. I may leave the link below or tag it somewhere in the video, but I do have a video on, you know, how I tone my hair and also how I flat iron my hair. So I'm gonna come back with the final results and my final thoughts on this flat iron and the products I used. And so I will see you guys in a second. All right guys, as far as this product, the Redken Acidic Bonding Kit, I would recommend getting this before you buy the bigger bottles, or you invest in the larger bottles, because I believe the larger bottles retails around $30 a bottle for conditioner and for shampoo. So if you get the kit, just to open it up, the shampoo is $12 itself and the conditioner is $12 alone. Like if you were to just go to Amazon and say, I'm gonna get the shampoo, which is 1.7 ounces, and then you're gonna get the conditioner, which is 1 ounce, you're gonna pay $12 each. I ran to Ulta, I ordered it online, and I was able to get the conditioner, the shampoo, and the leave-in for $24. So essentially, it's almost as if you're paying for these two, but you get an extra item as well. And so that's what I ended up doing. I was like, if I'm gonna spend $24 anyways, I might as well get the leave-in. But I will say, I kind of forgot to put the leave-in in, so I'll have to try it when the next time I shampoo my hair. But that's the funny thing about it. I forgot to use it, so hey. After I got done conditioning my hair, I did put in or use a heat protectant in my hair. Let me know in the comment section below if that's something that you're interested in. I have done videos on the products I use and how I flat iron and all that. Like, I've done a couple videos. I just wanted to do a review on these flat irons. Let me start off by saying these flat irons are the bomb. They are. The one thing I can say is that they are so hot that it burned my vanity table. So now I have some weird browns. It's not brown, it's yellow, but they cooked my vanity table. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do about that. But they do get the job done. They are awesome, they are amazing. I see why salons, why so many hairdressers use them. These are amazing. And I've had Babeless in the past. I've reviewed Babeless in the past, but these are beastly. I love them. And many may wonder, is it really worth $150? I would say yes, especially if you are a hairdresser. You will get that money right back, but it's worth the investment. If you are not a hairdresser, it's still worth the investment if you are not going to the salon as much. $150 is the retail price. To me, it's worth it. Now, if you like to ball on a budget like I do, I checked a couple sites, and Walmart actually had the kit for a little over $100. They had the flat irons and they had thrown in a wand curler. I definitely would recommend running out to Walmart, getting that kit, because I love it. Like, even just with the flat irons, I was able to achieve a couple curls. I feathered out my bang a little bit. Now, if I did my whole head, I think it would still turn out nice. So keep that in mind, and that's before I even use the wand curler. The flat irons itself can make some very pretty curls, and like I said, it gets the job done. Now, I will say, I'm not sure how long this will last because it's very humid. I decided to flat iron my hair in the summer, right? So it's very humid. So I don't know how long my hair is going to last, but I was straightening it for the benefit of clipping my ends, which really, my ends really needed some TLC. and I cut quite a bit off, which I'm like, I'm kind of backtracking, but I don't really like, no one likes split ends, just to look like you have long hair. So I did trim off the split ends. I had to get rid of them, and this is what you have here. And I also use Freeze Ease. I think it's called Freeze Ease. Here it is, by John Frieda. It did help with the Frizz Ease. And this is one that I used even when I was in beauty school. Like, this has been out for a while, but it still does its thing. It still works. So hey, so that's that. Now, going back to the kit, I'm not sure if it was maybe it was a combination of both, but my hair turned out really well, and I love it, in my opinion. I don't know if it was a combination of the flat irons, between the flat irons or the actual kit, but I would recommend this kit. First of all, it has a couple benefits that I want to bring out that I believe it was on the website, and a couple things I came up with, or a couple things that stood out to me when I was doing research on it. The benefit of getting a acidic bonding concentrating kit or shampoo and conditioner is a couple of things. It balances the pH, it promotes less breakage, it makes your hair much smoother, it reinforces the weakened bonds inside of your hair, and it's good for color treated hair and all hair types. So again, I would recommend this product. It's so many things that causes damage to your hair, whether it be heat, whether it be the elements, whether it be the water that you use to shampoo your hair inside your home. It can have an adverse effect on your hair. So this kit should balance things out a little bit more for you, and it promotes healthy hair. So I would recommend this. Overall, I love the flat irons. They are beastly. I will say, I left these flat irons on just to see how long that they stay on, and I'm not noticing a timer for that. So just keep that in mind. If you do leave the house and you forget to unplug them, you're gonna have to turn back, because so far it hasn't turned off on its own. A lot of the flat irons, or the other flat irons I have, they've all automatically just turned off, unless I just haven't waited that long. But they've been on for quite some time. So I will say that I do want to mention that, and just be careful, be cautious of what surfaces you're putting your flat irons on. I've never had issues with my flat irons, even sitting this way. I feel like it did leave some burn marks even sitting in the normal position. So now I have it sitting on this glove. I have a 3-finger glove that came with some wand curler that I bought. I don't like, and you can't really even use it, but that's neither here nor there. Bottom line is, it's a yes on this product. It's a yes on the flat irons. It's a yes on the shampoo and conditioner for me. I will be circling back. I will be using it again. I feel like it is worth the price, whether you decide to go to Babyliss website themselves and purchase it, or whether you decide to go to Amazon, which I don't know. I'm not sure how that works, because some people, I don't know. If you want to ensure that you're getting the real thing, then I would definitely go to Babyliss.com. But the ones I purchased from Walmart, I had no issues with it. It felt like the real thing. It felt nice and all that. I saw a couple complaints from a couple sellers on Amazon, so I would just be a little bit cautious if you want to ensure you're getting the real product. I just want to thank you for tuning in for this long. I do appreciate you watching this video, and comment down in the section below. Let me know if you do decide to run to Walmart and take advantage of the sale, and let me know how you like it, how it worked out for you. A lot of people that try these items have liked it according to the reviews, because I'm a big review person. I look at all the reviews before I purchase. So both of these items have great reviews. Let me know how you feel in the comment section below if you do try this out. And I'm going to close this video out. I hope you guys have a good one, and I will catch you on the next one.